Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jason with Destination Fulltime. Today we have two items that I would not RV without. One is a backup camera and two is a TPMS system. And today I've got one that has it all in one. Let's check out the Haloview TPMS system. Let's check out what we have here. Now, it comes with two of these transmitters. I've taken the opportunity to go ahead and wire one in already into our rig, so we won't have to go through that. But it basically just hooks to your 12-volt power supply, and this is a signal booster from your actual sensors that are on your tire to the receiver in the truck. So it comes with that. It comes with the camera. We already have a camera, which is this exact same system. We won't have to change that. We'll just have to pair it. Some mounting things here, as all of these Haloviews come with, and then our screen and receiver. Again, this is the TPMS version, so you can see it says TPMS up there. Looks exactly like our BT7 screen, except the TPMS right up at the top. Digging in here a little more, you can see the antennas, the wiring, all the different cables and stuff that comes with it, batteries for your transmitters, all kind of goodies, and then of course the actual transmitters that go on and sensors that go on your tires. But that's what the system comes with. Now we just have to go install it and give it a try. First thing you got to do is you're going to have to put these batteries into the sensor. So you can see they unscrew like this, and then you're just going to slide the battery in. And positive's going to go in on top, so it's just going to slide in like that, and then screw the cap back on. And we'll do that for the next three. Okay, so we put on our first sensor on our first tire on the right hand side. Now we're going to put on the second sensor. So we're going to hit this button right here, and then we're going to hit auto learn. And then we're going to screw the cap onto the tire, just like this. And then back to this, and it has memorized it. So now it knows it's that tire. So we're at 102 pounds, 29 degrees. So we're going to go ahead and do that for the other side, and then we'll go get this thing set up in the truck and pair it with our cameras. I already have a Haloview system, so I'm just going to replace my normal one with this one. Slide it onto that mount and tighten it down and apply power. Now we have to put the antennas on. And there we go. All right, we're on a short trip, literally like 5-mile travel day, which is crazy, but it works out great to test this TPMS Haloview system. And So I don't have my normal setup, but I don't have my Garmin set up because there's really no need because I know where I'm going. But let me show you how this TPMS Haloview BT7 TPMS is working for us. Now, for us, we have our backup camera, and you can see in the upper right hand corner you have your display of your tire pressures, and they rotate around to display. So right now it's showing our driver's side front tire of the trailer at 110, and then our rear passenger side at 106, and then back over to the driver's side at 107, and then up to the passenger side front at 107, and then the temperature displays are on the right, and you can set those to Celsius or Fahrenheit. Of course, I have it in Fahrenheit because we're in the States. Now, what I also want to show you is, if you touch the screen, I also have my two cameras set up in this one, so I can see my hitch with that camera, and then camera 4 or channel 4, I can see my backup camera. So all the views are going to show the TPMS. Now, if I wanted more on the TPMS, I can just touch that and it'll show it to me all the time. But that kind of eliminates the backup camera piece. So I like to have it on the screen at the same time. Now, you can turn it on and off by this TPMS view button here, and you can make it fade out or not quite as bright. I like it at 100%, so that's what we're going to leave it at. And if I had other cameras, I could also use them in my channels. So far, this TPMS system is working great for us. I'm going to use it a couple more times before I give a final verdict. I think it is awesome that it does both the TPMS and the backup camera in the same system. So that's really, really nice. So far, I've only put one booster on, and I've showed you where I put that, and it's working fine. I had no problems with the sensors connect. So far, so good. We'll keep testing, and we'll show you the next time we test. Alright guys, we've been testing this Haloview TPMS system for 3 months now. We've taken multiple trips with it. We absolutely love it and would not be without it. The best thing about it is it's two systems on one screen. It eliminates clutter on your dashboard, which is great because my dashboard already looks like a commercial jetliner. So it's great that I can eliminate some stuff and have great functionality. I wouldn't be without it. I hope you check it out. I'm going to put a link down below so that you can get yours today and get 5% off using our code. So get you one today, and remember, until next time, I hope that you find your next destination. Thanks for watching.
We sold our house along with almost everything we owned, and we packed up the RV to live a lifestyle on the road. Now we're free from sticks and bricks and that old life we used to know. Come and join on our adventures, all the places that we'll go. And living in the RV is sublime. Destination Fulltime.